Another day, long day. Tired, headed to my room. When you don't see us on the front end, we on the back end. And my wife and I is constantly working, trying to iron out the creases, weather the wrinkles, and create creases for our criminal legal system. Working with partners of various natures, statures, testimonies, meetings with police departments, network, working inside the Innocence Network, taking a message to the American public in all arenas, whether that's classrooms, whether that's higher education, classrooms as well as universities. But again, long day, and I want to remind you all, Matter of Innocence is coming up with exoneree Jared Adams, exoneree Ana Vasquez, and myself, April 19th, Tuesday, 6:30 CST. It's an Eventbrite program. Registration is free. Probably going to want to peek in on us as we unpack some of the nuances and complexities surrounding wrongful conviction, straight from an exoneree's perspective, straight from an exoneree's experience. April 19th, Tuesday, 6:30 p.m. CST, Eventbrite. Register today. Good night.